heading, cleared for takeoff.
Flight runway heading, runway 19, cleared for takeoff, 0.7.
American 2516, contact departure, good day.
Departure, good day, American 2516.
Ladder 638 Alpha Victor, caution my turns, departing Boeing 737, runway 19 left, clear to land.
49 left, clear now, land, caution Victor, 163, Victor. Tower Delta 1587, 9 left, 19 left.
Delta 1587, Tampa Tower, continue, runway 19 left, traffic will be holding in position.
Continue, Delta 1587.
Delta 2706, turn right, heading 210, contact departure, good day.
Right 210 departure, Delta 2706 here.
Delta 1792, Tampa Tower, runway 19 left, line up and wait, traffic on 9 miles. Delta 638 Alpha Juliet, sorry, Alpha Victor, turn left onto Juliet without delay, please contact 1.7. Delta 1792, runway 19 left, clear for takeoff. Delta 1587, runway 19 left, clear to land.
19 left, clear to land, Delta 1587.
Delta 1792, contact departure, good day.
Flight departure, Delta 1792, good day.
465 November Echo, Tampa approach or tower, same request. 465 November Echo, Roger. Departure from the ramp will be at your own risk, cleared into the Bravo airspace 10133. Roger, contact ground point 7. Gulf 1227, there's a helicopter departing east of the airport. Will remain east, runway 1 minute left. Ready to take off. 465 November Echo, traffic is an Airbus departing 19 left southbound, trimming east of runway 1 minute left.
Alrighty, Roger.
Roger, Echo radar contact, Delta Clear 3008, verify 600. 2775, runway 1 minute left, monitor wait.
Monitor wait, 19 miles.
That Delta Heavy right there is likely a charter for some professional sports team. I'll have to do some research, find out who it is.
Delta 1227, contact departure today.
First, 427, good day.
And 465 November Echo, traffic 1 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, altitude indicates 1,000. Did you want flight following outside of the Bravo?
Looking for traffic, negative on flight following 5 November Echo.
It looks like
American 2775, runway 1 minute left, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 19 left.
yeah, that charter. It looks like they're actually about to start boarding it. It might be the Bucks. We'll have to see if we can sneak in.
Verify November Echo, that traffic is converging at 1 o'clock now and 1 mile indicating 900.
I'm inside now, 5 November Echo.
And November Echo, Roger, leaving the Bravo airspace. Change to air frequency changes, approved air services are terminated.
Approved, 5 November Echo, thanks.
We'll have to see if we can sneak a peek. It's gonna be a little tough from here. This camera only does 20 times zoom. But yeah, that was likely the Bucks.
Zone 2330 off, nice.
Southwest 2330, Tampa Tower, runway 1 on our left, clear to land.
For the land, I see my Southwest 2330.
Another hot day up here.
American 2775, contact departure today.
Or departure, American 2775, good day.
Yeah, always over there. That's where the charter teams come in. The charter planes drop the teams off either if they're playing at Steinbrenner for the Rays, which is right there, or Ray J for the Bucks, which is right there. And during hockey season, you always see the opposing teams playing right there also, and they play downtown right over there. So easy access here for all the professional sports teams that come into town. I am almost positive that's a football team charter. Guys, quick one today. Just do me a favor, if you made it this far, just like and subscribe for me. Get more coming up. Got live streams coming soon. Thank you, everybody. You know, this channel is growing quickly and it means the world to me, so I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, hope you have a wonderful day. You take care.